That's true. Yeah. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I thought I was gonna pack it in early, call it a night, because the homies and I were eating steak and playing Catan. And then some of my young Boy Scout homies are shooting hoops at this park that I used to go to when I was in high school. And so everybody left and they're like, yo, we're still here. And I was like, shit, I'll be there in 10 minutes. So we'll see if I can get a game in or something. But brought the shoes, brought my water, all that good stuff. It's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a great night. We'll see what happens. I ended up running a little bit of hoops with the homies. They're still playing a little bit back there, but it's like 12:30. Dude, honestly, today was a great throwback because I used to do this shit pretty much like 3 or 4 times a week when I was 18, 19, 20. We would literally play basketball till like midnight every night until they shut the lights off, and then go eat like Dunkin' Donuts or something like McDonald's or something terrible. But man, great time. And I don't know what this video is going to be a part of. Maybe there'll just be a vlog about youth is wasted on the young or some shit. So yo man, 31, still rocking hoops at midnight with the people 10 years younger than me, man. Still killing it. Honestly, mentally, I still feel like I'm 18 to 21, even though physically it feels a little different. So, but yeah, man, life is good, and we'll catch you guys when we catch you guys.
You gotta let it warm-in period or something? Or what?
I let it like just kind of like the electronics, and then you can press the brake and the red button, the engine. Yeah, you can turn it on now.
It's a lot quieter on the inside.
Yeah, well, also it's not a cold start anymore. So.
Yeah.
Bro, look at this.
I don't know if it'll even turn on.
But I think you had to hold down the power button was up here back in the day. Oh, it's turning on. I think it's turning on.
Yeah, it's connected to a charger. In there.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, I need to download my iTunes playlist from like.
Bro, you got to. Yeah, you gotta. I'm surprised this even has support. Yeah. That's crazy when you're in a Ferrari and you're impressed by the iPod Touch.
See, it's all in Celsius, by the way.
Yeah, dang.
Yeah.
Where are the temps? Bro, shout out.
Right here.
Yeah. Shout out Europe.
Oh, those. Oh, and these here.
Yeah, those two. Yeah.
Man, your shoes match the car.
That's why I put red on today.
Yo, we out here, you know what it is. Just hanging out, bro. Chilling with Zarek. Usually we're playing Catan. Now we're playing a different type of Catan. Dang, bro, that was just in the neighborhood. That's crazy.
That was just up to
Dude, I will tell you, like in a fast car, you definitely can't stop smiling for some reason. I usually walk this way and like record a video every single day. This is like my trail where I record a video. Yeah.
I gotta be careful, man. I mean, you know, if you go too viral, then my students are gonna see me.
Wait, what do you teach?
I teach at a university. It's called University.
Hey.
It's like a little
Wait,
upstate
that's
New York,
sick.
yeah.
Man, just enjoying some nature time. I feel like that. Glad you recommended, you know, let's go on a walk, bro.
Yeah.
Some nature time, let's get the creative juices flowing. Chilling. And you go on more walks.
Where are you working at?
Good pass, Sean.
Dang.
Please, someone hit it.
Oh, that was a clean one.